Most people eat pumpkin seeds for their health, but here's the shocking truth. If you're over 50, eating them the wrong way could be quietly robbing you of better sleep, stronger joints, and a healthier heart. I made these mistakes for years without knowing it. In just a moment, I'll show you the simple changes that unlock their full power. Your body will thank you. Mistake 1. Buying store-bought seeds with hidden additives. I used to grab pre-packaged pumpkin seeds from the store, thinking they were a healthy snack. Big mistake. Many store-bought options are loaded with salt, sugar, or preservatives that can spike your blood pressure or blood sugar. Two things we seniors need to watch. I noticed I'd feel bloated or sluggish after eating them, and it wasn't doing my heart any favors. Now, I always check the label and pick raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds with no added junk. Better yet, I buy them in bulk and roast them at home with a pinch of cinnamon or turmeric for flavor. It's super easy, and I feel so much better. Next time you're shopping, read the ingredients list and go for the plain ones. Share with us in the comments where you get your pumpkin seeds. Mistake 2. Eating too many at once. I love pumpkin seeds so much I'd toss back a big handful without thinking. But here's what I learned. Just 1 ounce, about a quarter cup, packs around 150 calories and a lot of fat. While it's the healthy kind, eating too many can pile on extra pounds, which isn't great for managing weight or joint health. I started feeling heavier and less energized when I overdid it. Now I stick to a small handful a day, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and it's the perfect amount to get the benefits without going overboard. Try measuring out a small portion next time you snack. It keeps things in check and still satisfies. If these tips are helping you rethink your snacks, consider subscribing for more natural health ideas like this. I share new ways to boost your wellness every week, so hit that button and join our community. Mistake 3. Not storing them right. I used to leave my pumpkin seeds in an open bag on the counter, thinking they'd stay fresh. Wrong move. When exposed to air or heat, their healthy oils go rancid, and they lose nutrients like magnesium and zinc, which are great for our bones and immunity. I noticed my seeds tasted stale and weren't giving me that energy boost anymore. Now I store them in an airtight container in the fridge. They stay crunchy and nutrient-packed for months. If you buy in bulk, pop some in the freezer to keep them fresh even longer. Try this simple trick, and you'll always have potent seeds ready to go. Mistake 4. Eating them with the shell on. I used to munch on whole pumpkin seeds, shells and all, because I thought it was fine. But those tough shells were hard on my stomach, especially as I've gotten older. I'd feel bloated, and my body wasn't soaking up all the good stuff like zinc or fiber because it was working overtime to break down the shell. Now, I only eat shelled pumpkin seeds, or I chew the whole ones really well if I'm in a pinch. It's made digestion so much easier, and I feel the benefits, like better sleep, more noticeably. Look for pepitas at the store. They're already shelled and ready to eat. Now drop a comment and tell me how you enjoy your pumpkin seeds. Mistake 5. My secret weapon, skipping the soak. Here's my secret weapon for getting the most out of pumpkin seeds. I wasn't soaking them. I used to eat them straight from the bag, but soaking them overnight in water changed everything. Pumpkin seeds have phytic acid, which can block your body from absorbing nutrients like iron and magnesium. Soaking for 6 to 8 hours breaks that down, making the seeds easier to digest and their nutrients more available. After I started soaking, then drying and eating them, my joints felt less stiff and my energy was steadier. Just cover a handful with water before bed, drain in the morning, and enjoy them raw or lightly roasted. This one trick made pumpkin seeds a true superfood for me. Why pumpkin seeds are worth it? So, why go through the effort to eat pumpkin seeds the right way? Because they're a goldmine for senior health. I found they help my heart by lowering cholesterol thanks to their healthy fats. They're also packed with magnesium, which improved my sleep quality, something I really needed. Plus, their fiber keeps my digestion smooth, and the zinc boosts my immunity, which is key for staying active. I sprinkle a tablespoon on my oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie for a nutrient kick. Just 1 small serving a day, and I feel stronger and more energized. These little seeds are like nature's multivitamin for us. 3 simple habits to maximize pumpkin seed benefits. To make pumpkin seeds work even better, I added a few habits. First, I pair them with nutrient-rich foods like berries or yogurt to balance their fats and boost their benefits. Second, I eat them in the morning for steady energy all day, avoiding late-night snacking that can disrupt sleep. Third, I talk to my doctor if I'm on meds for blood pressure or other conditions, just to be safe, since pumpkin seeds can affect blood pressure. These tweaks made a big difference in how I feel. Key takeaway. Here's the big takeaway. Pumpkin seeds are a superfood for seniors, but only if you avoid these common pitfalls. By choosing raw seeds, eating small portions, storing them properly, skipping the shells and soaking them, I've unlocked their full potential for better heart health, sleep, and energy. Pair these fixes with simple habits, like smart food pairings and checking with your doctor, and you're setting yourself up to feel amazing. Pick one mistake to fix this week, and watch how these tiny seeds transform your wellness. What's next? Now, here's something to think about. Could another superfood in your pantry be just as powerful, but easier to use? In my next video, I'm revealing another surprising seed even better than pumpkin seeds for seniors, and one that might already be in your kitchen. Tap on this next video so you don't miss it, and let's keep this health journey going.